how do we handle roadmaps? Like
roadmaps, yeah. Roadmaps, I'll send you a nice take on how you can actually create roadmaps. So there are multiple ways in actually. So firstly, you put a business decision at the top of your roadmap, saying what is the business mandate or the business plan that is allowing us to create our capabilities or our plans, and then you map them to basically the value stream activities, and then you map them to the technological or application and the data level activities, and say that these are all my activities that I need to capture, and put some stickies on that, that this is activity one and activity two and all of that sort of stuff, and use the same metrics that I told you, which you can use there as well. You can use the Eisenhower metrics and say this is urgent, important, this is urgent, not important, urgent and important. So you put those stickies, and you got like after you actioned upon what are your business capabilities, what are the data activity plans. So let us say we have to create a data storage, data warehousing solution, data archival, data purging, data management, data governance, and let us say that you have to handle performance of the data. And these are some 10, 15 activities that you found out that based on my business requirements, we need to do in the next 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. So you collect all ideas from your team, you have it to a war room, and have all the sticky notes saying that these are my ideas, or these are my top level items that I need to do for the next 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. And then you run through the team, and you should ensure that, okay, how do you prioritize them? So also take the customer into confidence, and what is that he wants? Like the roadmap should always be aligned either to the internal team or to the customer or to some actually important stakeholder who's actually driving your efforts. So your roadmap should be in accordance with a stakeholder who is actually going to be defining, what is expected of what you want. So you tailor your roadmap based on that, and then you create the roadmap blocks saying that, okay, if it is data management, what will I do in the first week? What will I do in the second week? What will I do in the third week? What will I do in the fourth week? First week, I'll actually collect all the data points. Second week, I'll create the schema. Third one, I'll roll out the schema. Fourth week, I'll actually create a data management plan around how to make the database up and running. And then fifth week, all the governance procedures will be done. All the implementation review around that will be done. So you actually create and chalk out a plan which will tell you how you're going from zero to full throttle on your architecture. So that kind of gives you a thing. So basically, roadmap is a very big item if you just look at it like that. But from the business ask, you look at what are the capabilities that you're required to do, get that point. And from that capabilities, look at what are the impact of that capabilities on the technology side, on the application side, business side, data side, application side. And then what are the cross-connecting, impacting items between data and application, application and technology, technology and data. Put out those items first, and then you'll have to actually have a good handshake with the technology teams, with the application teams, so that you are actually able to roll out in a sequential manner, so that you're able to showcase minimum viable architecture or potentially shippable increment, as they call it, using continuous business values to your customers, for which you have to constantly be in touch with your customer or stakeholder for whom you are actually creating this roadmap.
Okay.